Welcome to the tutorial of ASO CBCT. So we first gonna open Slicer, since this is an extension within Slicer. The extension is called Automated Dental Tools. If you don't have it on your computer, you can simply go in the extension manager over here and then look for install extension, and then you look for automated, and here is ours. So you just need to click on install, and it will prompt you to restart the computer over here, not the computer but the extension over here. So you just need to click on restart, and then you're gonna be all set. Since I have already the extension, we're just gonna go on the ASO extension. Here we are. We're gonna focus on the CBCT part. So for the CBCT one, there's two types of extension that you can select over here: the Nifty, GIPL, and Nerd files, and the DICOM files. We're just gonna focus on the Nifty one, but you can also do all the steps if you have DICOM series. So the Nifty, GIPL, Nerd files. The mode, we're gonna select the fully automated mode that does the landmark identification and that match those landmarks with reference ones that you can select in the reference folder. But we're gonna walk through the different options from up to down. So let's first talk about the scan folder. So you just need to select the folder in which you have the different scans that you want to orient. So mine are in test file. So for the fully automated one, you just need Nifty files. So that's why I have only Nifty files over here. So we're just gonna select this one. So we go back to Slicer, and then scan folder we select here, and we go to ours. So mine is in desktop and tester file and fully automated. So I select this one, and then I make sure that if I scroll down over here, I see number of scan to process is 1 over here. And since I have 1 scan, then it means that this is all right. And then we're gonna select the reference folder. So we just gonna need to click on select over here, and a list of different reference folder will appear. So you just need to select which reference files you want to use, depending on the orientation method that you want to use. For my example, I will select the occlusal and mid-sagittal plane, so I just need to click here. And then you just have to make sure, since this automatic method of orienting CBCT relies on landmark identification, you just need to make sure that all the landmarks are well selected over here. This is just a double check step over here. And then once this double check step has been successfully done, you can go into the output menu. So the suffix over here is to add some extension name to the output files, and the output folder is where the output files will appear. So it automatically select and create a folder that is called the name of your folder, and add the OR at the end, just to notice that this is the oriented file. And so we are ready to run, and you just need to click on run over here, and then you just need to wait till the process is finished. Once the process is done, you will see a window. If no error has occurred during the process, you will see a pop-up window like this one that shows how many time has it taken, and you just need to click on OK. And then we can see if we go back to our folder, so we go back from once, and then a new folder has appeared here, so the fully automated oriented. and then we see that there's an oriented version of our scan. So here it is for the fully automated version of it. So we can move on to the semi-automated mode. So we just need to go back to the ASO user interface and select the other mode. So we go to semi-automated one. We select once again a new folder, but just before I'm gonna show you what you need to have in this folder. So we've done the fully automated tester file, and we have the semi-automated tester file. So why do I have as well as a scan as a landmark files, so which is a JSON file? Because the semi-automated use landmarks that you've already modified or already predicted to register them using the same reference file that we use for the fully automated. The only difference is that the landmark identification algorithm isn't used in the semi-automated one. So we just need to select this one over here. So we go back and we select the semi-automated one. Once again, we go down and we verify that the number of scans to process is correctly written over here. So this is fine. We just need to click on the reference folder that we want. We want the occlusal and mid-sagittal plane, and we click on run. Once again, if there's no error that has appeared, you can see a pop-up window that appears with the time once again. So you just need to make sure that this is fine, and then you can find a new folder with the oriented files. Thanks.